Say hi!
Hi!
We are here in... Anong pangalan to? Say hi, Bian. Eco Park! Eco Forest! Karim is falling down. Fell over. Karim, what's that? Ew.
You eat
Wala na si Karim. All the kids are enjoying here. Kasi walang gubat sa amin. Pupunta lang kami dito at kakain. Nagluluto kami ng tilapia. Instead na samjay.
Sedang ngayon hindi.
Ayan.
Baba mo rin, sakay baba mo. Sakay baba mo lang sa mo.
Ginawa nilang playground. Ang gubat. Say hi.
Karina, Karim!
Hoy, Jibian. Say hi to Papa.
Hi, Papa!
Say hi to Bai.
Hi, Dubai! Hi! Hi! Oh, hi, Dubai!
Where's Karim? Saan na si Karim? Si Karim na. Natapa-dapa na si Karim.
Nabalo ko yung pala niya. Ito naman ni Karim. Yan kami, let's go! Let's go!
Oh, you want to eat, Bian?
No!
Why? You're not hungry? Hi, Karim! Na si Karim. First time gumala ni Jibian sa gubat. What is that, Karim? Hmm? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where's Koya? Hmm? What is that? Bian,
That's in the finish line!
don't run so fast, Bian. Shh. Hoy. Picture, picture. Si Karim ayaw magpa-picture. Mama, I don't want to take a picture.
Yung itsura niya. Ito yung itsura niya. Yung dalawa pinag-bibili.
Gusto lang niya rumampa. Ayaw niya mag-picture. Tingnan, sama ang tingin niya sa'yo, bukso. Wow, it's raining. The rain is coming. Uy, Jibian. Parang nakawala eh. Umulan na. Wala yung gala na ulan. Later again, we're going to eat. Let's eat na, Bian. Jibian is tired. Don't take off your cups. It's raining. Hi, Karim. Say hi. Hi. Say hi na to your friend. What? What? Say hi. Eh?
Hi.
Say hi na.
Say hi, Karim.
Hi. Say hi, Karim.
Diyos ko, oh, tingnan mo yung ano niya, Bogs. Ang dungis na yung paa niya.
Importante daw, nag-i-enjoy siya. Lumabas ng bahay.
Magbigay tayo kitang malilim kaya ito.
Lumakas na yung ulan. Oh my gosh.